Hello, this is Unit 5, Getting Around. Let's start with staying safe on the road. There are two questions for you. What's the importance of being safe? What keeps you safe? And when? Please think about them for a minute. If you want, you can write your ideas and share your ideas with me. This is our first vocabulary, helmet. When you ride your bike or scooter, you should wear a helmet. This is very important. It protects you. Seat belt. Always wear seat belts in the car or in the school bus. Seat belts save lives. Reflective armbands. For example, when I walk from school, I always wear my reflective armbands so drivers can see me clearly. Please don't forget to wear them, especially at night. Pedestrian crossing. For instance, when you want to cross a busy road, use a pedestrian crossing. Okay, now grammar time. Zero conditional. We use the zero conditional to talk about things that are true. It often refers to general truths, such as scientific facts. We can also use it to give advice or orders. Zero conditional, şart kipi. Şart kipleri her zaman doğru olan, sıfır şart kipi her zaman doğru olan durumlardan bahseder. Bilimsel gerçeklerden, doğruluğu kanıtlanmış durumlardan bahseder. Sıfır şart kipini aynı zamanda öneride bulunurken de kullanabiliriz. And this is the form. If, okay, if eğer, when, if and when, they have the same meaning. Aynı anlama geliyor. If ve when. Present simple tense. This is if clause, okay? And this is the main clause. Again, present simple tense. You will understand better when you see the examples. If you mix yellow and blue, you get green. It's a fact, okay? Sarı ve mavi rengi karıştırdığımızda yeşil renk elde ederiz. Bu kanıtlanmış bir gerçekliktir. Dolayısıyla bunu if clause sıfır şart kipinde kullanıyoruz. If you mix yellow and blue, this is the if clause. You get green. This is the main clause. If you heat water, it boils. Okay, this is a scientific fact. Bu da yine aynı şekilde kanıtlanmış bilimsel bir gerçektir. Suyu ısıttığımızda kaynar. Okay? If you heat water, it boils. When you ride your bike, wear a helmet. Okay? This is not a scientific fact. Okay? When you ride your bike, wear a helmet. Bu bir öneri, right? Bisiklet sürerken, bisiklet sürdüğünde kask tak. Kask takmalısın. Okay? If there is no oxygen, living things die. This is so clear, right? Another one. When you heat ice, it melts. Again, this is a scientific fact. Okay, bilimsel bir gerçek. Buzu ısıttığımızda erir, right? Buzu ısıtırsan erir. Okay. Good. Ways of traveling. Do you enjoy traveling? I'm sure you do. Okay. How many ways are there to travel around your city or town? How many ways are there? Actually, there are a lot of ways. Car, plane, bike, bus, tram, taxi, on foot, boat, underground, ferry, motorbike, and helicopter. Look at the pictures. This is a car, bus, helicopter, tram, bicycle or bike, on foot. Motorbike, boat, ferry, plane, taxi, and underground. Which one is your favorite and why? Again, please share your ideas with me. Okay, let's look at the examples. How do you go to school? I go to school on foot. Okay, look at the picture. They go to school on foot. So I'm asking it to you. How do you go to school? The next one. How does she travel around the world? She travels around the world by plane. I think this is safer and easier. Phrasal verbs. Okay, this is the first one. Run away. Run away. Okay, look at the pictures. They are running away. Okay. Jump up. Jump up. The boys are jumping up. Can you jump up? Leap over. It means to suddenly move somewhere. Okay? Bir yere aniden hareket etmek, atlamak. Okay? Okay, the next one is plod along. It means to walk with slow steps. Yavaş adımlarla yürümek. Okay? Plod along. Past continuous tense. We use it to talk about the past. It indicates long actions. Geçmişte devamlılık, geçmişte başlayıp belli bir süre devam eden işleri anlatır. Okay? For example, he was jumping. Was, this is the past tense of the verb be, okay? Was and were. Jumping Verb ing form, okay? Jumping. Look at the table. These are subjects, was and were, and the verb plus ing. For instance, I was playing. He was reading, okay? She was writing. You were singing. They were going. Look at the examples. He was living in Belgium 2 years ago. Okay? He was living. I was studying English when you called. Aradığında İngilizce çalışıyordum. Okay? I was studying English. She went home early because it was snowing outside. It was snowing outside, okay? It's a long action, snowing. While Jane was reading a book, Tom was watching TV. Reading and watching. Again, these actions take time. Negative form. Emma wasn't writing a letter last night. She wasn't writing a letter last night. Writing, okay? It takes time. The driver wasn't driving carefully. The driver, he or she, wasn't driving carefully. Driving, okay? You weren't listening to me when I told you to close the window. You weren't listening to me. The next example is, the children weren't sleeping yesterday at 10 p.m. Okay, they weren't sleeping. Look at them. Look at the picture. They were awake, right? They weren't sleeping. So they were doing puzzles. Okay, this is the question form. Was it raining yesterday? Yes, it was. It was raining yesterday. Were the kids playing in the garden? Were they playing in the garden? No, they weren't. They were doing puzzles. Were you playing the violin when I came home? Look at the picture. No, I wasn't. I was doing my homework. Okay, everybody. So this is the end of Unit 5. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thanks for listening.